Here, we'll work with the Join tool, which helps us create different shapes from existing shapes. We're going to work with this yellow circle there, and I'll get my zoom tool and zoom in quite a bit. And now I'll get the direct selection tool, the white arrow, and I'll select the path. Now I'll get the scissors tool to cut the path. And the scissors tool is below the eraser tool. So I'm going to make sure I have the scissors tool. And I'll move my cursor up to that top anchor point until I see the word anchor. Click, and now that's cut that path at that anchor point. I'll get my direct selection tool, select that anchor point, click, hold, and drag it up and to the right a little bit. And you can see how it cut the path. It's now an open path, not closed. I'll move the left-hand anchor point also up to where it's at the same level and approximately the same shape as the path on the right. So that's what we've got. We do want to turn those curves into corners. So with my direct selection tool, I'm going to select those top two anchor points. And in the Properties panel, I'll click the Convert Selected Anchor Points to Corner button. You can see how that changed there. They're now straight lines. But now we want to join those two anchor points and close the path. Now, if you don't have the Join tool in your Tools bar already, click the Edit toolbar at the bottom of the Tools panel and look for the Join tool. And when you find it, drag it onto the Pencil tool. So it looks like my Join tool is already underneath my Pencil tool, so I'll just go ahead and click hold my Pencil tool, and there's my Join tool. So make sure you've got the Join tool. You may have to add it from the additional tools. And all you need to do is kind of click, hold, and drag near the top of those two anchor points. Just kind of scrub across it. So I'll start over on the left-hand side, click, hold, and drag near those two anchor points, and it joined those two paths. It's now a closed path. I'll do that again, just click and drag over there, and now it's a closed shape. So we transformed a circle into kind of a teardrop shape easily by using the scissors tool, cutting the path, and then rejoining it into the shape that we want. And I'll just move it over into that flame. I need to click the Arrange button and bring it to front. So there's a little work with joining paths.